Smile, hello everyone. My today's aim is to teach you to heal piles, hemorrhoids and fissures by stroke. By stroke, it's very easy to heal. And please understand these points and you'll get the results very fast. So let's understand which is the area in the body and how we can heal. In stroke, in feet, back side, nail side, between the four toes, this area is your anus area, and here you will find the painful points in case of piles or hemorrhoids and fissures. And hands, between the four fingers, this area, yang side, back side, nail side, this area. So we'll learn now how to heal this area. This is the anus area, and in case of piles, the painful point will be here. Just take any jimmy, or you can take pen or key and find the painful points here. And in case of fissures and hemorrhoids, this entire area will be, you'll find it painful points very easily. Now massage this nicely. After doing good massage, you can put the green gram seeds here on this area. And in case of piles, you will find the painful points and look for the painful point, and you can put a chain of green gram. This chain of green gram on that painful point here. And tell the person to keep pressing it from time to time. And in case it's bleeding piles, in case of bleeding piles, take the rubber band and put it between the four fingers and pull it from here. 5-7 times, pull it nicely, and after doing that, you can color this area black color here, and after that you can put the seeds here. This is very effective for bleeding piles, and in case of any piles problem, fissures problem, the results are very, very fast and effective. Now on the feet also, between the four toes, small toes, this area you will find the painful points for piles, and for fissures and hemorrhoids, this area will be extremely painful. If you press it nicely, the pressing pain is different and the painful point pain is extremely different. And after doing good massage, you can put the seeds here. So this is the area. In case of bleeding piles, after doing the rubber band treatment, the way I had shown you, you can also put color, blue color, in the index finger, the line which is facing the middle finger. This is SI meridian, heat meridian, yang heat meridian. So blue line from bottom to top. So this is how you can treat your piles, hemorrhoids and fissures. These are the areas, and in case of the problem, these points will be extremely painful. So do the treatment, take results and stay healthy. Smile, thanks. Thank you.